I am going to be doing a skin, face, and hair pumpkin mask.
I'm gonna be using...
It's a very small pumpkin, I know. At least I didn't get those huge pumpkins, because then you scrape out the seeds and all the other stuff and blend it. Okay guys, so I'm first gonna wash my face and then to get like clean and get all the dirt and everything off of my face. Okay guys, so I am using my AM Sweetness Tea Tree Foaming Face Wash. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like after I blended it. It's kind of watery, so I'm not trying to like make it drip. And so let's get started. I know this is gonna feel very weird on me. Oh wow, that is cold. Pumpkins are filled with vitamin C and A, which are perfect for your skin. The vitamin A and C help soften and soothe the skin. If you have acne, you might want to try this because the zinc in the pumpkin helps get rid of acne. Even though it felt weird and squishy to put on, I really liked it. So while I let this sit for 10 minutes, I'm gonna do my hair mask. Okay guys, I also forgot to mention that this is made with honey. It's made with raw honey. So I'm gonna take this off now. I've had it on for like 5 to 6 minutes and it's starting to feel tingly, so I am going to take it off. Okay guys, so for the pumpkin mask, for my hair, I am adding olive oil and hair conditioner to the pumpkin mixture. Also, make sure that you mixed it really good.
Okay, good.
Okay, so I already washed my hair, but I just re-wet it. Oh, this feels so weird. Make sure the hair mask is evenly spread out. Okay guys, so I got all of my hair and I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes and then I am going to wash my hair and I will be back. Okay guys, so I washed it out and this is what it looks like. So I actually am very happy that I tried this out because my curls are back and also my hair is like very soft. Also, I'm gonna try, if I ever do this again, I'm gonna like blend it up more because there were some bits of my hair that were still, and it was kind of like hard to get it out and everything. Now for my hair, I really liked it. My hair felt soft and shiny. So after the pumpkin face mask, my skin feels very smooth and soft. So I definitely recommend this if you want to do it. So now I'm going to use AM Sweetness Moisturizer. I felt like my skin was glowing, felt smooth and soft. Now I'm going to use AM Sweetness Peach Lip Balm. If you haven't already, go to amsweetness.com to see all of our yummy lip balm flavors. Today's positive message is don't be afraid to try something new. If you don't try anything new, you don't even know if you're gonna like it. Okay guys, so I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, smack the bell.